Hi, welcome to Harley Classics, and we have another fantastic old commercial vehicle for sale. Those of you watching the channel, or those of you who know anything about classic cars, you might know what this is. It's a E83W truck, but not just any truck. It's a bit special, this one. Again, another one from the film set, and this one's been in quite a few films. It's been in Call the Midwife, The Crown, Foyle's War, Miss Marple. It's been in loads and loads and loads of things, but not just as this truck in this guise with the cabin's tilt. There's other things which I'll explain later. Right, let's have a walk around this truck. Right, so what we have is again a 1953 Ford Thames. Thames being the commercial division of Ford at the time. E83W. So it's a 1000 weight truck. Again, it's not just a little truck. This thing's multi-purpose, and I'll show you later. In fantastic condition. Used condition, yeah, but really good condition. So we'll have a quick walk around. Right, front of the truck, again, the chrome's decent enough for what chrome you get on a truck, which is just these little bits here. Could do with a polish, we've just took it in. Paintwork, again, decent, acceptable. There's no big holes or rot or anything like that in it. It's just looks like it should as a period commercial. You've obviously got the air conditioning here. You can open the windscreen. Again, nice and solid. Paintwork's good. It's got lovely gloss. Here's one or two marks which we'll touch in here and there. One or two chips off the bonnet and stuff. But it's really just in its working clothes. That's how I would describe it. We haven't cleaned it. So there you go. You get the dust and everything that's with it. That's inside the cab, as it should be. 3-speed on the floor. Lovely little engine there, little 1200cc engine. Really low geared, so they really pull well for what they are. Again, this one's got the canvas tilt, drop side body. But again, I'll show you the little special feature it's got. Looks like it's got some like Land Rover tyres on the back there. Underneath, the chassis is in really good condition. It's got a tow bar fitted, but I doubt it would tow anything of any substance. I think it was probably fitted for when it was doing the filming. So like I say, it's been on loads of films. And just like the milk float, came from the same family, there is a business opportunity there for you, if that's what you want to do. This one actually is 3 vehicles in one, and I'll go through them in a minute. So this side, more or less the same. Your little petrol tank down there. We'll open this door. You got your crate in there to sit on, because they only ever came with one seat unless you spec 2. So you've got your tomato box there to sit on, and a cushion for your passenger. Again, all this is lovely and solid. Doesn't look like it's been filled in. We'll have a quick look at the engine. If I can get these sides up, they're pretty stiff. I'll have to shut the window first. Have the window open before. Slide that back along the other side. There you go. There's not a lot can go wrong with that air conditioning. Doesn't need regassing anyway. Again, these little chips on the bonnet, that when the bonnet gets opened, you should have little rubbers on the corners, but I think they've worn off. There's the engine bay with a little side valve engine that's in loads of different things. Fantastic little engine. Plenty of power for what it is. And this one actually starts really well. It really starts well. Click them back down. It's a bit stiff. Right. I've gone on about the other things that come with this van pickup. This pickup can be 3 things. It can be what you see it as now, with the canvas tilt on. If you come with me, I'll show you. In the back are these two domes, which actually turn this into a refuse body. So basically a bin wagon from the 50s. It also comes with a fully working Harvey Frost crane, which bolts on the back. These sides come off, and you have recovery sides and a recovery headboard. So it becomes a recovery vehicle. So you've got canvas tilt, refuse truck, and a recovery body. So if you go to a show, you can go on the Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 3 different things in the same truck. So it's pretty universal. Or, like I say, if you want to look for a bit of film work, I'm sure you can get it. So, there you have it. Ford Thames, 1000 weight. What a lovely little thing. Right, let's start her up. Pull the starter. So if you like this vehicle, it's for sale. So check it out on our website, Hardy Classic. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook, or do both. It really helps. Click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye now.